ukuze ubuse fanele ubhale umthetho, ukuze ubuse kumele ube nomthetho ozokunika i-right yokubusa. So as long as thina singenawo umthetho
constitution yamadashi
yabelungu, yes akuyona
it's a Dutch law.
yes into abayenza bona babulala ine-customary law. I-customary law yiyo esingenayo interest kuyona. I-customary law umthetho wethu isintu abasica siphila ngaso, iwena ndlela yethu yokuphila but ngaso iwena ndlela yethu yokuphila but manje why i-customary law singayi-recognize? Ingoba ibhalwe system. uChef Stone yena wabhala i-customary law, ifike nabelungu, ibhalwe abelungu i-customary law lesinayo. Wonke lo mthetho owethu akazubhalisha umuntu omnyama oyedwa, akho nkosi, akho mphakathi, akho injilabchopho zethu ezathathwa ukuthi zoba involved ukubhala i-customary law. Same as i-constitution le esiphethe la eSouth Africa yabhalwa ngo-1994. Abantu babe ama-researcher e-constitution, white people, top researcher abantu abamhlophe. Babe-researcher ngani? Hamba obuka uzobona babe-researcher based on ama-systems abo outside of i-Africa. Babebuka ama-systems abo ukuformalize i-system, abantu bebongisha i-system eyodwa abantu abamnyama. The only thing abantu abamnyama bayithatha bayifaka ile eyafaka uChef Stone, le indirect rule, la ukuthi abantu abamnyama bengabunawo amandla etsona, ukuthi sizobanika inkosi engenamandla, so that bethi banenkosi, so that bengasoze balwela uvusa ubukhosi babo, bese bephila inkosi engenayo authority, but be-assume ukuthi ine-authority, but while ingenayo authority, ngoba ufila ngathi ine-authority kodwa le nkosi inikwa amandla ukuthi ibe ne-authority over abantu, but yona ayinayo authority over abantu aba-expect ukuthi kufanele ibe ne-authority over bona. So basinika ama-systems.
Okusho ukuthi-ke Sibonise siyavumelana ukuthi inkinga, first point, inkinga khona eSouth Africa yile constitution.
Yes, i-constitution is-problem. So thina mesibuyisa i-customary law in power.
Kufanele ishintshe le constitution.
Yes, kubuye i-customary law.
Kufanele sishintshe le constitution. Kufanele ukuthi senze kanjani as people?
I-constitution buka nayo iphathe tricky lento abantu abayinyanyayo. Ukuze ishintshe i-constitution, abelungu benza kanjani? Ngenkathi sebazi ukuthi babuyisa ipower abantu abamnyama, bazobanika i-political power, bayilokha i-constitution. Benzani? Bafaka lento ya 2/3 majority. Ukuthi ukuze ukwazi ukushintsha i-constitution udinga u-2/3 majority. Lo 2/3 majority uyini? Udinga 66.7% amavote eParliament, nama-province awu-6 azovumelana, out of ama-province awu-9 udinga awu-6 azovumelana nalo 66.7% ukuze uzoshintsha the whole constitution, okuyinto impossible. Why babenza njalo? Babefuna ukuthi lingaphinde libe khona iqembu elizoba nepower ye-National Party. Into ababezisho akufanele ukuphinde kube khona iqembu elizokwazi ukuba namandla e-National Party. So bathini? Why benza lento? Bafuna ukuthi ukuze i-constitution ishintshe kumele kuhlangane amaqembu different ehlangane ndawonye so that ezokwazi ukushintsha i-constitution. So bayazi ngokwenza lokho so involve a different political party, lama different political party ana different agenda. So ba aware ukuthi whatever into ezophuma lapha, i-product ezophuma lapha izobe i-compromise. Lo compromise izobe i-favor bona kodwa uma political party afandwa yibona. So azobeka ama-laws based on ama-interest la azofavor yona i-white minority, cause yiwe efandwe laba bantu laba. So bayazi at the end of the day whatever conclusion esifika kuyona laphana iyogcina ifika lapha, but bayazi kodwa ukuthi if only one political party iba naleyo power kuzoba nzima ukuthi leyo political party i-compromise, inga-achieve more than into inga-achieve ama-political party ahlangene. So bakhande lento le ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi si-achieve lento le ngoba kunzima ukuthi ama-province awu-6 out of 9 ezimelana nento eyodwa.
Thina Sibonise kufanele ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sishintshe le constitution.
Yes, but kunzima.
Shintsha kanjani na? Kwabhala ukuthi kufanele ishintshwe nge-2/3 majority. I-2/3 majority sizoyithola kanjani na? Ngokuthi thina njengabantu sivumelane on the ground ukuthi siyahlangana manje sihlanganele ukushintsha le constitution. Kodwa nayinkinga abantu babamba amaqembu wabo, abavuma futhi abalaleli noma ngabe i-leader yakhe umuntu ayikhulumi ngendaba ye-constitution okufanele ukuthi ishintshwe, i-right yona kwi-position yobidla kahle. Siya kanjani phambili?
Phambili iyo le part engisho ukuthi ayidalelwanga vele into ya-2/3 majority ukuthi ishintshwe i-political party e-1 idalelwe ukuthi decide abantu abasephalamende yabo labantu basephalamende be-influence ama-province la abanepower kuyona bonke up until ngifuna uze ukuba clear kuleli point because ba-aware ukuthi vele unzima that's why even ubaba uNcamalala the first move ayenza uma ebuyisa lento ka-2/3 waqala wakhuluma nama-political party onke ukuthi we need to unite cause vele lento lena babazi vele ukuthi at the end of the day kufika kuleyo conclusion idinga ukunite kwama-political party are different azokwazi ukufoma le power so lama political party akufanele wabuke ngokwepower yawo just eparliament but kumele wabuke nangowama-province ukuthi those people obadonsayo uzokwazi uku-absorba lama-province awu-6 labantu othi unite nabo so labo bantu o-unite nabo kumele nazi ukuthi ubani uyiphethe leya province ubani uyiphethe leya province laba ayiphethe leya province laba ayiphethe leya province so sinama-province and sinalo i-percent we can change i-constitution so idinga leso strategic move so njengamanje uyabona into eyenzakalayo thina as abantu abamnyama basidivide ngoma-province basenza sinyanyane ngowama-province i-move eyenziwa ngamasibomu ukuhlakaza lento leyo ukuthi at the end of the day kungabi easy ukuthi sina sibe nomqondo wodwa sibe nesivumelane esiyi-1 into abayenza ngamasibomu kuthina because ba-affecta even lawo ma-process ukuthi sikwazi ukufika kulawo ma-conclusion bayasidivide
lamalida lawa kancane kancane ulimini lwabo this tribalist
kwenziwa amasibomu
benza amabomu hey
so kwenziwa amasibomu ukuthi kungabi easy ukuthi senze lento ka-2/3 majority and lento ka-2/3 majority the only hope yayo umkhonto wesizwe if umkhonto wesizwe ungekwi-achieve lento 2029 phelile ngathi sibheke ehlathini yokugcina ngci because there is nothing ekwazi ukuthi ishintshe i-constitution up until onke ama-politician asephalamende esarende uba great so ikusasa lethu lobe selidepende kulaba abantu or ukuthi thina sisusa i-chaos straight thina so kube sekukuleyo position but ngeke beze besarende bayabonakala akubona abantu abangasarenda izisu zabo over abantu so kuyabonakala ukuthi ku-clear lokho ukuthi kahle kahle it's obvious ukuthi if ngeke yenzeke lento siyobe siyemgodini onzima
abantu abamnyama siziphukuphukuma uma uya kahle kahle uma ubheka kahle
siyinkinga ngoba
thina si-unite
self-destructive
we are fools man
yes kuyinkinga ngoba into ebuhlungu kakhulu futhi enye into ukuthi i-constitution yase-South Africa ayigcine e-South Africa kuphela iphuma even ngisho internationally i-South Africa isabanjwe imithetho international even ngabe kuthiwa sithi thina siyithetha ngenkani izwe senza wonke lama-process lawa angayinkinga sifuna sithi siyongena laba abantu laba bengafika bethi asini-recognize ngobani
yazi lapho
kanjani bawukutshela ukuthi wena ayikho esingayikhuluma nawe because uphule yonke imithetho ukuhlala kulesa sihlalo niphule yonke nemithetho nabulala nenza ini there's nothing esingayikhuluma nani boshanga amasanshini awugcina ncane
egcineni into nje ngibona nje uZulu ehlephuka eyimela yedwa
akulula
bona lokho ngiyakubona kuyawenzeka lokho ngiyakubona ukuthi uZulu dinwa basavota khona kuzovota la kushayo ka-IEC lo ungasakwazi nakungena kungavotwa kume yonke into
no yazi into ebuhlungu lento isho Ndlovukazi buka into iyenzekile eSouth Africa manje lento le i-MK EFF iphume eParliament kuzokhuluma uRamaphosa kwenzakaleni iqhubekile iParliament yakhuluma same thing ezokwenzeka-ke ningangavota bakhona abantu abamnyama basahamba no VF Plus abasupport o-VF Plus bakhona abantu abamnyama abasupport o-DA inqwaba abasavotela lama-political party bawovota
laba bazobeshawa phela lapho ngoba sekushimizi lapho ngasahlekwa lapho
kancane nje Sibonile
bawovota mabevota whatever kuqhamuka lapho kuzoconcludwa ngakho i-solution iyobe siqhamuka through leyo conclusion njengoba sibona i-MK irojiwe but kwaconcludwa but uqhubeka kuya phambili but akusa-reverse lutho even though sebengavuma manje nokukarobheka but ngeke sabuyiseleke emuva so benza njalo bayazi egcineni boyiphusha iprocess le phambili but mase kulula ukuthi kukhanda isolution why sekuhleli i-F plus lapha phezulu or why sekuhleli i-DA lapha phezulu sekuzofuna ukukhanda isolution sebezokwenza ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi kukhande isolution ukuthi yonke into ibuye kwi-order but isihleli lapha for 5 years sengekho umuntu ozoyisusa ozokwenza ini so yonke
bangena kulokho abelunga ayasiphinde sibakhiphe khohlwana ayikho loo nto
kancane nje Sibonile
boshintsha futhi imithetho njengoba beyishintsha nje kumanje
so ukuvota kuyaphoqa ukuthi sikwenze akuyonto efanele siyigive up even though sibona akusebenzi kangaka but akuyonto efanele siyigive up because ukugive up leyo nto leyo kuba ukukuphela kuye that's why ubona abelungu banepower yokuqeda but abagive up awukhama abantu abangacindezelekile njengathi ubona into yokuvota bethatha serious kangaka ingobani bayazi power even wakubona so at the end of the day akuyona power i-political power kufanele siyigive up because sinayo nayo ine-advantage yayo i-political power so asikwazi ukugive up i-political power because i-steps sokuqala esa-achieve abantu abalwa before 1994 whatever lokhu abaku-achieve even though kungekho enough but kune-advantage so yilo part of appreciate even though kuyinto e-weak kuyinto enjani even though uPrince Mangosuthu ba-achieve indaba zeNgonyama Trust kuyizinto ey'ngekho strong enough kwakhona lokho okwenzakalayo but kuna-something abayibeka etafuleni so njengamanje thina sibekani above lokho etafuleni umbuzo
into engiyibonayo noma ngabe kuthiwa kufanele iwini i-MK KZN bazoyivimba futhi
ukugcwalisa inkomishi yakho nje mfethu bava yabona asithi noma sivota kodwa akube khona ama-structures esinawo because into efika ishaye thina sisuke sivote bese sithembela ukuthi leyo political party iyona ezosolva zonke inkinga zethu uthola ukuthi-ke financially ayikho into esikwazi or uplan B ake nje uplan B asinawo yabona so nathi asibe nama-funds athile or sibe nama-organization athile esikwazi ukuthi-ke sikwazi ukuphonsa imali and uma kukhona okuthile okwenzakalayo sinalo i-plan B we understand because it's useless ukuthi-ke uzothwena-ke sizoshintsha kanje and then kumele sivote ekuvotweni kwethu ekugcineni kosuku izinto mase ingasahambi ngale ndlela thina esifisa ngazo asinawo uplan B asikwazi ukunegotiate or asikwazi ukuthi labantu laba basemacourt or whatever lesifuna ukuyenza ngaleso sikhathi leso so ipoint yami ila mengathiwa nje as much as sila kule group imbono iminhle yonke imbono enye iyashoda and siyayigcwalisa enye nami angisho ukuthi ngazi yonke into okunye nami ngiyakufunda ngiyenze research yami ngendlela engenza ngayo but again akube khona uplan B so uZulu yabona nje lento kaZulu ibalekile lento kaZulu because mina ngisenethemba ukuthi le province noma ngaze kuthiwa bayipenetrateile kodwa bakayipenetrate yonke as much as kukhona o-IFP kukhona obani kukhona obani kodwa bakayipenetrate yonke so we do need isikhwama sethu souzulu sizokwazi ukuthi-ke ezinye izinto sikwazi ukuyi-challenge singagcini nje ukuyi-challenge la ku-social media but nakwi-ground sikwazi ukuyi-challenge okunye futhi siwafunda ama-constitution yabona nje thina i-constitution asiyazi mind you yaziwa yilabantu bokufika kuyibona abagcine bequestiona futhi la emgwaqeni uma ukuthi senza ama-march and march or senza noma ngayini you understand kube yibona abakutshelayo ukuthi ingano-act bani uthi wena uthola ukuthi you don't have reference ongakwazi ukukhotha kuyona yabo so izinto ey'kanjalo ezinye izinto ekumele siyiqaphele ake ngisubmit ngiyabonga
uba bekuya ngami wena Siboniso nawe umhlathi wewiki nani noko kwipanel bekuzofanele ukuthi ngoba abantu abelungu bamblackmail uZuma ngale ndlela ukuthi abanye abantu bamzonda abazi ukuthi bamzondelani noma uZuma ezamile ukusukuma ibone isystem ukuthi ihamba kanjani eyi-understanda people they don't abafuni abantu kubuyela ngenkinga ukuthi sinenkatha sinani nani ungabe kule movement eyenziwa uZulu manje bekuzofonywa i-movement eyi-1 uthathwe igama elilodwa ku-IFP mhlawumbe kuthathwe ku-EFF kuthathwe ku-MK ithathwe kufonywe one movement kube bamuve njengoba beshaya ama-foreigner ngale ndlela bese ukuthi mase sekusondele ama-elections lawa kalokhunja bese sishaya imali njengoba nisho ukuthi kufanele ube nemali bese iyo-register lapha ku-IEC emva kwalokho bese sithi le movement iyona iyangena ku-unit khona izokwazi ukuhlangana ne-MK nalamaqembu aphakathi laba abantu ama-leader wabangavumi uku-unita bona bangene ngapha kule e-unitayo sizofoma ilokhunja i-cabinet sisonke it's when maybe we can win
yazi inkinga ikephi lapho Ndlovukazi i-movement khumbula ezikhona inama-political parts amaningi kuyo so if usufuna ukuthatha i-movement iphendule i-political party i-movement izoluza ipower yayo because kunabantu abangeke bawa-give up ama-political parts abo yabo so abayi-parts yes
mamela ipoint lami lokuthi njengoba kule movement ake ngisho nje ku-march and march kuhlangene yonke amaqembu. La maqembu mayethi wona avuma okay kufanele ishintshwe le constitution kodwa thina sifuna simfuna umtsholozi. Angeke thina si-unite asifuna unite nomtsholozi. Angazi ukuthi kuyini inkinga uyona but ngoba vele ama-leader wabo awezi kule unit. Inkatha ne-IFP inkatha amanye amaqembu awangeni le unit. Amaqembu avuma u-unit ngibona i-APM nalaba abanye. But uma kukhona-ke laba abanye balaba maqembu okungabantu bethi thina asinankinga thina ne-march and march bethi i-march and march okay manje thina sesifoma i-political party because sifuna ushintsha le unit le. Ebese bevota bona bevotela i-march and march. Abanye bavotela i-MK, abanye bavotela i-ATM, wonke lawa avuma ukungena kwi-unit. Maybe is when we can get that two-third majority.
Yabona lapho nje.
Ngifuna ukuya lapho
yonke indawo.
Yabo manje yabo Ndlovukazi lapho njengoba ngichazela mina. Leyo nto singayibuka kanjani njengoba ngisho ukuthi le nto eyenzakalayo le mashi.
ake sizame mfowethu.
Buka mkhulu,
ake sizame.
Yes ngiyakuzwa mkhulu but ngifuna ukucixela le point. I-movement, i-political parties elapha nanto efana analyze reality. I-ATM, i-Operation Dudula, umkhonto wesizwe, anyone olapha ngama-interest e-organization yakhe. Not ukuthi ulapha ama-interest e-march and march. I-march and march ilapha ngama-interest of i-movement. So everyone lapho individual but by united to one goal ukuthi bonke so benefita. MK zo benefita kulento le, ATM zo benefita kulento, i-march and march zo benefita kulento. So once i-march and march yaphenduka i-political organization izo lose everything. Ngeke izibe naphakho lapha isingena egamini serious izoba limited because once waqala wangena kuleya process kunento eziningi engisakwazi ukuzenza manje. So kuzoba kuphela kwayo.
Mamela Sibonisa. March and march kube kuphela uba kuyaxoxa ama-foreigner bazohlala kule march and march. Bazomasha bemashe bawaxoshele ama-foreigner then they supposed to sit down. Okay, ama-leader wethu asilahlile yithina esiyilungiselele ukuthi sixoshe laba bantu manje. What is the way forward? Inkinga esinayo
abahlali phansi siswami.
uphayele Mthakathi uthi inkinga sekule nkinga nje le ndaba le constitution kufanele ukuthi ishintshwe. Ilazo iqala khona mabevuma bethi yebo kufanele ukuthi ishintshwe. Kufanele ishintshwe kanjani na? Kufanele ukuthi manje siyobhalisa lapha e-IEC.
Why ingasupportwa?
Ishintshwe le constitution.
Why ingasupporti MK because MK already iqhamuke eqana lo proposal. So you know
Boniso.
Why create another layer? It's the same thing.
Boniso.
Ngeke ibe successful into kanjani njengoba ngisho izoba i-problem.
Boniso.
Movement ingane
Boniso.
Wamkhulu.
I-movement ama-foreigner kufanele kanjalo.
Buka i-movement ingane strength only if inga operator ukubooster i-political party. So if i-movement ingeke ibe
political party.
kanjani i-movement yayo
abantu abasamfuna ungamalala belungu bamblackmail in such a way ukuthi noma bengaboni ukuthi wenzeni nowe abantu abamnyama bethi ngakhona ngikhulumile ngikhathale manje indaba okhulumela ukuthi abantu abangene ku-MK you never force them if bona bekwazi ukunite ngoba bethu kusama ama-foreign after ama-foreign the next second step bazokhuluma nge-constitution.
So if i-politics better, why mustn't match find a political party? If i-politics better, by political party. Why find a political party politics better? So inkulumo njalo even nayo so yenza survive lapha. Ngoba lamagama wafita abantu azojika eshaye yona if isi-political party. Ithi nani nikhuluma kangcono. But manje niyafana nabantu. Because at the end of the day,
Okay. Uzwile statements
blackmail ungamalanga. kukhona abantu abathuka uNcamalala la noma bembona uNcamalala ubonile isystem avuma ngapha nangapha kwenzeki. Let me come out from this ANC because it's already captured. Kunini ngangichaza kulento kubantu ngikhande into engizobiza ngabantu basabela abanye abasabeli. Abantu manje bafana nezingane manje bafuna ubalande ngobisi njengoba ngathi bayalandela manje lapha kumashini mashi. Iyona ndlela ukuthi ufuna ubacathulise futhi nakhona ungabezeli ngobuzo ngoba uma uphakathi kwabo waphatha uZuma baxoshile abanye babuyela enkatini yabo abanye babuyela kuphi lapha bakhona. So manje likhona nabe EFF noma becashile kule mashini mathi bakhona ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona kodwa uma sebeqedile ukushaya lento le sebezothi madoda uyayibona ukuthi le ndaba kaRamaphosa iye yasifaka ngale ndaba amaforo lokufuna ukusela out country. Ngicabanga ukuthi nale constitution fanele ishintshwe madoda. Kufanele kwenziwa njani? Ayishintshwe le constitution. Ya ayishintshwe angithi bazosho kanjani bafana ingane phela. Mabe vuma ukuthi ayishintshwe lesikhathi sebethi hayi khona. Kusho ukuthi kufanele kutholakala imali manje ubhalise lapha kulo IEC. Sihlangane thina sizohamba thina sizohlangana sivume ukunite nomkhonto. Kodwa sizovota sikuyimashini mathi. Angithi abantu asafuna ukuzwa le ndaba enozuma. As long babeka ngapha kuyimashini mathi bazovuma.
Comrade Petty.
Mina labantu
Petty.
bangibangazela into.
Comrades.
General.
Comrade Naledi.
Yes.
Comrade Naledi.
Yes.
Uyazi kuno comrade Nkunzi Malanga la kulo live. Unezinto interested ukuze afuna ukushesha nathi kodwa manje ichance akayitholi because sisitike kwi topic as progress and so we more like a dialogue. I know ukuthi specifically uyayidile nezinto ezenzekayo kumanje. Unfortunately akaveli lapha but umuntu okhona la just to acknowledge you.
Khuphuka wenkunzi khuphuka.
Lesifake uGeneral uNkunzi khona.
Yeah, but asimphondwe makuthi unomdlandla ongena ngangena and because into efanele sibhekisisa ukuthi what is happening now and kuhle ukukhuluma kweni man sticker izinto zama elections because ama elections kufanele siwawine isystem esikhona since 1994 kufanele siwine no matter what. Laba abadonsa beceleni, let me tell you guys, don't worry konke zobabuyisa because namhlanje iMK is making moves or has made moves or ngomhla 28 May abantu bazoqala bacacele because namhlanje bebe launcha institute ke mawulauncha institute usuka ubuyisa izinto engama ambitions eorganization. iANC akazikwenze lokho probable bakwenze eLondon bevula ioffice laphana laba baze khona into institute because ibehavior yayo uyayibona nje but iMK iya institute okuthi uma umuntu MK uzobe uhamba ngale principle uzobe advocate for umuntu omnyama phe kwalezi zinto. Into yokuqala umhlaba inkolo yethu isiko impilo lethu ubukhosi bethu inhlonipho kubantu ehambisana nobuntu lokho kuloza ngakaze akuyeke ever since. So bengithi nje ngihighlight lokho mhlambe uComrade Nkunzi senokungangeni ningadumali but kuhle ukuthi sisitike intweni esenzeka njengamanje nithintile into kababa umthakathi iqhawe and asimsupporte bonke sibasupporte and bangathintwa uma bathintwa omunye wabo njoba sebeqalile kufanele bazi ukuthi sibeqonde ukuthi kube ne chaos in this country. Ngiyabonga.
Definitely. Yabo. Bethu ngicela sisiphejine uGeneral nangu bantu uGeneral Peace.
Woza General. General, I send your mic. Vula.
While ikusalinde uGeneral wena Siboniso bhuti wami hayi ukuthi ngiyakuoffenda or kanjani. Mina my point was ukuthi sisebenzise imatch and uphakela umthakathi as a plan B babe yisikhwama salento esuke siyifisa ngiyi-MK myself. It's not ukuthi ke ama-point akho angizwani nawo or ngiphikisana nawo. Ngiyi-MK man. So ngiyayazi into okhuluma ngayo. Yonke into even ama-policies akhona ngiyawazi. But sizosebenzisa uphakela umthakathi for the fact ukuthi unamandla wokunitha abantu okuhlanganisa abantu. Kunenkatha kwayena uyinkatha if I'm not mistaken. But unaso lesiphiwo sokuhlanganisa abantu. So we will use him as a plan B. Yokuthi ke if kukhona something or kukhona i-organization esingayisebenzisa if izinto zingahambi accordingly ngalendlela esifisa ngayo, then sicela bona ukuthi bangene leli. Yilokho bengikusho.
Yes, nami iphathi bengisho bengithi kulokho njengamanje ukuze singaze sibe sigcina sekuma-situation la sekufanele khona siye ku-plan B. If i-movement inga-influencer one direction, ukuthi i-strength lesi-movement enaso isisebenzise ukuthi influence le-idea already esi-exista esikwi-plan le ye-MK esiyibona ukuthi ikwi-plan and i-based on zona lezi zinto esiyifunayo yokushintsha i-constitution yokubuyisela ipower kubanikazi bomhlaba. So i-movement the only thing solution ukuthi isupporte leyo nto. Even though into efanele si-understand ukuthi ayikho into vele empilweni ezoba nama-side onke ozowathanda yabo, but at the end of the day mase sikwazi ukufocusa kuma-outcome ukuthi i-outcome yokumuva nalento ingasinikani kusasa, i-outcome yokumuva nalento ingasinikani kusasa yabo, because leli side eli-political li-different than ukumasha emgaqweni. Mawusulapha at a different space yabo, i-South Africa inkulu kakhulu South Africa. Ufuna
Angibuze
point sibuke leli point leli mkhulu. At the end of the day la ukuze inhlangano ibamba izwe udinga ama-minister, udinga ama-mayor, udinga so udinga wonke lama-position ukwagcwalisa wonke amakhona eSouth Africa if ufuna full power ezokwazi ukuthi ikunike leyo power. But kuleyo part leyo abantu ozobadinga begcwalisa lawo ma-position uzobathathaphi yabo. So sekufanele uwenze ini lapho uphika fast anyone fast, because ngeke uzobe naso isikhathi, because umuntu isikhathi esincane kakhulu for manje ukuthi benga-achieve wonke lawo ma-steps ngokuphazima kwezo. Izinto ey'thatha isikhathi lezo akuzonto unga-achieve ngokuphazima kwezo. So kuleyo ma-process kunento ey'ningi eziba ama-challenges, kunento ey'ningi eziba ama-mistakes, and lawo ma-mistakes if ngeke nikwazi ukuwasolva nginga-collapse everything and ngingadisturba izinto forever. So ukushintsha kwe-movement ekanje ukuthi ibe political party ngayi-downfall yethu sonke as abantu abamnyama kule step esesikusona. Trust me, ngayi-downfall. Abelungu bengaklepha izandla be-celebrate.
Lokhu ngiyakubuza, imarch and march izogcina kuyi-march and march ixosha ama-foreigner. Masixoshile ama-foreigner, what is it? Sekuphelile?
No, ingaba
No,
yes, ingaba i-political party, but sengisho kuba i-downfall.
No. But
Ingakwenza
not a
lokho.
political party.
No,
Organization.
ama-moves
Hello,
abo
Mr.
a-political, ama-moves abo bamuvisa kwama-politicians. So ama-moves abo a-political. So ahaya ama-chance ukuthi ingaba i-political party.
Sakuphendula nje siswami, if imatch and match iqeda kweyami perspective ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uphakela umthakathi ufuna ukungena ku defense wayengeke athi ke uyenizwa ngalilwela and ufuna imali engaka just for ukudla and stuff, but ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukungena ku defense so angiboni mina aba i-political party, angiboni le i-perspective yami, le i-perspective yami, kodwa nje ngathi singayisebenzisa as a plan B to fund whatever lesuke sifuna ukuyifunda. Nawo amaSulumane, typical example nje, amaSulumane anohalal wawo, lo halal wawo lo udivide-ke angazi kawungaki. Emva kwalapho lo halal lo uyakwazi ukuthi ke ufande i-gift of the givers, uyakwazi ukuthi ke ufande amanye ama-foundation aseceleni. Thina ezuzulu yini ehlulayo silokhu esisubmissive kangaka kulama policies nalezi zinto ezenzakalayo esingazwani nazo? Yini sikulezi zinto lezi? I think kuno 32 years sikulezi zinto lezi. And mawuthi uthi uyabheka impilo ufuna abe phambili, ayiphambili emuva. Kunezinye izinto futhi esingakwazi ukuyi-understanda, izinto ezinjengo inflation. No matter what, noma ngaze kuthiwa ke mhlawumbe isalary yakho bayayikhuphula, but i-cost of living compared to isalary yakho akubalance khona okukushayayo. Ngapha intela, ngapha upetrol uyakhuphuka, ngapha ukudla, so affecteka ngayo yonke indlela. Yini ihluleka ukuthi ke sibe nalama organizations anjengawo ohala ihalal wena ungayibona as sticker nje sisekudleni ukuthi ke abakudla ukudla ukuthi, kodwa ziningi izinto ezenziwa ile yanto leyana, ziningi kakhulu, ziningi.
Yeah.
Ngibonga.
Lapho ugeneral akakaveli sisiphethe.
I-opportunity akaseyivuli mic.
Ngisho bantu enkosi sesidiscuss kakhulu sibonisana ngento eziningi. Mina for me i-match and match ngifuna ikhona because kahle hle labo bantu bafana namehlo neindlebe zabantu on the ground. Yilaba basuku baqala if there's anything wrong or something wrong. Those people, they are very good in holding that position. Yeah, baba hold. It's where you identify the leaders abanga leader lapho. Ne nabo abangangena ngaphansi kwa whoever oyobe ekhethiwe ukurana i-government. Because sometimes kufana nento ukuthi beyikhulunywa akusikudala kuthiwa umkhwanazi ugeneral bangamthatha maybe kungaba uye for president. Nathi abanye masibheka from our little corners siyambona lo muntu ukuthi strength sakhe sikuphi yabo. We don't set people up for failure. Umuntu muphe lento azokwazi ukuspecialize kuyo, because sometimes mase somsusa somsa kwenye indawo wena self uwe ocreator ifailure nedelay. Abantu bakithi kuzofanele bafundiswe ukuthi istruggle asile struggle webhayi ubheka ubuso bomuntu bese ukhetha umuntu, ubheka imisebenzi yomuntu nokuthi what can you achieve ngalo muntu. Khona manje there's a possibility ukuthi njengoba sibhizi ngazo zonke izinto nibona kune hostile takeover masibheka in everything. We will need people that will assist us. Noma ngabe siyathanda noma ngabe sithanda abantu abazosinceda sizobafuna. And kungenzeka ukuthi siyobheka ukuthi kahle hle ubani that can we use ongaba esidini lethu yabo. Then in that strategically my plan ubheka umuntu that has got that influence that can play that role. Ngoba whether sithanda singathandi kune possibility ukuthi singa attackwa. So ke siyuza abantu that have got channels laba abangathi mabapressa certain buttons apresseke sikwazi nathi ukuthi sikhoseleke, because if sikhuluma khona manje singabheki ezinye izinto that might come up during yonke lento le esizama ukuyenza, sizabe siyazikhohlisa or sizabe asistrategize kahle. So we need each and every person that will play a role kulento le. Akunabantu ukufanele sibavalele ngaphandle. Umuntu if kumuntu obonakalayo ukuthi will help kulento le, we need to utilize them while we still have them. Because okusalayo ukuthi makufanele senze into sonke isikhathi thina ngokwethu siyazibulala, sihambe soqala futhi phansi sithi asiqaleni lokho. Uma ungabheka kahle sisakazeke sonke si divided kangaka nje because of thing ukuthi yonke into sifuna ukuqala phansi. Somebody thinks so asiqaleni phansi. No, we cannot go on like that. We've got the DA that's running this country today because the National Party ayizange yaqala phansi. Just change the dress code phela. Ayizange yaqala phansi. Yeah, abo Ruth Mayor strategized kahle until baze bafika la bafika khona anything esilibele sithi sekuabantu abasha, akusabantu abasha. They are the very same people. Yezwisisa. Yeah. Ngiyabonga.
Kunjalo impela yazi ngiyabonga kakhulu Ndlovukazi ngamazwi akho la owaveza. Lento ephatha de ngisho ukuthi there's no need yokuqala phansi. But enye ilayer ejulile kuyo yonke lento eyenzakalayo. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi kulento eyenzakalayo kune race. I-movement into yokuqala ayilast isikhathi eside. i-movement i-survivor ngabantu. So abantu once ba lose interest kwi-movement, i-movement iyafa. So i-movement while isenabantu abaningi, that's why sometimes i-movement i-acta fast, because khumbula ukuthi i-racer nama-political party. As i-racer nama-political party, ama-political party afuna ukuyi-dominate i-movement, because i-movement iphethe ama-numbers asuke efunwe ama-political party. So lawo ma-numbers bayazi i-movement isengajika ibe i-political party, ijike nawo wonke lawo ma-numbers lawo esiwaholde kuyona, imove nawo. Lo nto izo-affecta ini ama-political party nama-ideas ama-political party abese nama-plans ama-political party abade senawo, yabo. So at the end of the day, if i-movement ithi izoba i-movement forever ngekulunga ngenxani, uma i-movement ithi yona okay ngoba ifaka i-pressure, uma i-pressure eyifakayo ibona ukuthi le-pressure esiyifakayo still kuyafana, akwenzeki lutho lapha, ayinyakazi lezi zinto esifuna zinyakazi, izofuna at the end of the day ukuthi no, the only solution ukuthi thina asingene lapha siyoyinyakazisela thina. So isekhona ukuthi uhlezi vele, that's why ubona even nje Operation Dudula gcina sebe ilento abayiyona namhlanje, ingenxa yokuthini i-political party ilast isikhathi eside more than indlela i-movement engalasta ngayo, yabo. Because i-movement just umfutho wabantu, yabo, ayina structure, ayina ayina ma-branch, yabo, lutho, just nje umfutho wabantu, yabo. So kunzima into kanjalo ukuthi ilaste forever, yabo. So iyo lo party engisho ukuthi at the end of the day ilento eyenzakalayo inhle, but ukuba ukuhle kwayo kudepends ama-choices even kwawona i-movement ezowathatha. If i-movement ingeke ibe clear ukuthi agenda yawo is not just based on policy only, but even if ingeke ithathe iside lokufavor anything a-political or any political party or any support ama-political party artists or any influencer ukuthi abantu besitike kuma-political party artists, even ngisho ngathi bantu bethu lama-political parties move now, enzani sure ukuthi niwanika amandla. Onke ama-political party amove nathi, enzani sure lapho i-movement iyobe influencer i-direction ebetter, ngoba manje izoqinisa lama-side angakwazi ukuvumelana odwa lapha eParliament ekwazi ukuthi esupportana ukushintsha i-constitution. So lapho iyobe i-supporter a better side then ukuthi i-movement ifuna ukuyi-separate. If ingakwazi ukusebenzisana nama-political party, ingakwazi ukusurvive as i-movement yokufaka i-pressure ngaso sonke isikhathi makufanele ifake i-pressure, yabo. But if izofuna ukuluza lokho, ayikho enye option enayo ngokuba i-political party. But okunye sengivana into engengifise kuthina izabantu, thina namhlanje abantu bengakwazi ukuhlanganisa imali, mina bengithengele imoto, but abantu abamnyama sakakwazi ukuba kule phaya ukuthi thina sikwazi ukuhlanganisa imali sifund ama-tuck shop. Why ingafakwa imali kufund ama-tuck shop? Why singahlanganisa imali solve ama-problems ethu ngokuhlanganisa imali? Why imali uma sihlanganisa fanele iye kuma-individuals interest? Why singahlanganisa imali ifund ama-business? Why singahlanganisa imali ezovula ama-programs azokhanda ama-skills e-youth, azonika i-youth ama-opportunities? Why singakhanda uma-space for thina ngale mali esikwazi ukuyi-contribute? Ngoba abantu e-South Africa bangahlanganisa 5 million manje, bangawuhlanganisa in 1 month, bangahlanganisela 5 million abantu befaka imali. So why singaqhamuki nama-idea ukuthi no, asifake imali ethize, simisa kule mali soqala sifaka ama-tuck shop, mhlawumbe siyaqala e-KZN, siyafaka eGold, siyafaka kephi, sinyuse lento yama-tuck shop. Why ingathathwa imali ihlanganiswe kuthiwa asidonetheni imali, singakhanda ngisho even into engankulu, even sithiwa inga-empty phakathi, soyidivide phakathi ibe ney'ndawo zokudayisa abantu abamnyama ukuthi abantu bengami emgwaqweni, sikhande into ezoba nkulu njengehall, but phakathi ibe like i-market, kungena abantu bebeka amatafu, isethwe kahle ukuthi umuntu mama uzodayisa la obhanana bakho ney'nto zakho intini, nomunye uzodayisa lapha, nomunye udayisa iy'mpahla zakhe lapha, nomunye. Why singakhanda ama-space anjalo ngowama-donation? Ngeke, because abana-interest abantu, no one uzofuna ukufaka imali yakhe, because at the end of the day thina asifocusile kwi-real problems nama-interest ezinto ezingawona ama-real problems. So uma sifika kwi-real problem abantu bahlehlele emuva, no one uzofaka imali yakhe for into enjalo. Bancane sebezoqala befuna ukufaka imali, but uma ungathatha umuntu owumsangana, uthatha i-celebrate, uthatha umuntu ohlanyayo ku-TikTok, ungambona edonethelwa ezeshayela indumezulu ephansi. End of the day mase sikhala ngezinye izinto. But
usunomona
sinawo imali yokuyisa kwi-direction e-right. Sinawo wonke ama-option imali yokuyisebenzisa indlela e-right. Ngeke sikwenze lokho. Umuntu ekuthayo manje nganenkinga singafaka ukuze kufike amamiliyoni. But ngeke sicabangele iy'ngane zethu, ngeke sikwazi ukwenza ukuthi asesicabangele iy'ngane zethu emphakathini, sidonate, solve lama-problems for iy'ngane zethu.
Siyabonga.
Asike sikhanda ama-rehab. Why singadonate imali sikhanda ama-rehab? Solve le problem iy'ngane ezidla ama-drugs. Why singa-support ngeke uzibone into enjalo. Ngeke uzibone. Asinawo ama-interest entila. So thina even nathi singakhala sisagcwele ukudlala okuningi kwamanye ama-side. Simane siyakhuluma nje kodwa okunye sisagcwele ukudlala. So kunezinto eziserious ekufanele sithathe ama-moves azo. Once aqasa yokusupport imsangano, sasupport into ezangampela. Ila kuzoqala khona kube ne-change. Thina individual
Yabonga Sibusiso kulenda phela.
Lenda Sibusiso.
Ayesine
Unoduo
Manini, uyazini nansi into, nayo indaba la ikhona. Lento le ye-unit ibidinga thina of ibidinga umuntu ohlakaniphile ukuthi okay. Sesidividiwe-ke ngale ndlela esesidividiwe ngayo. Sibalanda kanjani laba bantu abaku-IFP? Laba bantu abaku-EFF wonke lamaphathi abangayiboni le unit esibabizayo ukuze bangene la. Bese kufuneka leyo nto enjalo. Okay, ngehlala kaNkulunkulu sethe bhu uJacinta wathi nangu uJacinta. UJacinta usababizi labantu because befune ngalento ukuthi kutholakala umuntu ozokhipha laba bantu kulamaqembu bangene kule unit. Akuzothi mase be-unitile bese kuba khona umuntu phakathi kwabo ozobatshela ukuthi madoda sihlupheka kanje nje ile constitution. Madoda izoletha likho ezandleni zethu silwele lamaqembu. Asenze njani madoda? Iy'mpendulo ziphume kubo. Kube yibona bathi no asivule i-political party sivote together sizohlangana nalaba abantu bafuna i-unity. And then isikhandi cabinet sithathe izwe lethu. This is how we can win. Ayikho futhi enye indlela. Because abantu bahleze emaqenjini wabo. Umuntu enkatha ngeke uze umtshele ngenkatha yakhe ngakubulala nokubulala. Kodwa manje we need indlela ukuthi sibakhiphe lapha ya. Babone lento esisho ukuthi unity iyafuneka namhlanje. Sibakhipha kanjani? Manje sekufuneka umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi convince uJacinta convince ungizwa convince wonke lama leader wabo lawo ukuthi ndoda focusani manje ama foreigner nje agcwele nje la ingenxa le constitution ayisuswe. Bevume bethi kufanele isuswe manje makufanele sisuzwe senza kanjani ngoba sikwazi ukwenza inkani. Bese uthi no asibhalise le mashini manje akube i-political party sonke siyangena manje yethu lelo kude wethu lelizwe bazongena ngaloyo nkani leyo. And then sibanqoba. Phela manje kufuneka ingqondo manje kufuneka umlomo omkhulu because lento esingene kuyona epolitiki ifuna ukuthi umdlalo wengqondo. Ufuna usebenzisa ingqondo. Ayikho enye indlela. You need to do a political game like uZuma enzile yena wabonile ukuthi lo ANC mina ngisakwazi ukulungisa. I have to come out and call people of South Africa ukwenzile lokho. Akwenzeki lokho nami. Namhlanje kune movement. Yaphuma out from ama political party. Yabiza abantu. This is going down into history. Uma ngabe ophakela umthatha bezokhuluma ukuthi manje sithatha izwe lethu madoda ngale movement ile what to do now siyahamba manje siyobhalisa le march and march yethu thina izoba i-political party sisusele umthetho sizokwenza futhi lokho angithi madoda bavume bethi hey lethu izwe bayibona ngoba sikhuluma ngale unity khona abantu abanga-understanding ngenxa yothando lwabo lamaqembu nongabe ukhuluma into ebaluleke kanjani ungena emlomeni usawuthi uyakhuluma aluzo yi-point ebelizosiza yena in future. Because we need somebody ozohlalisa lamadoda kuyimashini masha ahlezi lapha enkatheni. Uthi asilwe nani madoda sifuna izwe lethu libuye kithi. Amakhosi wethu nayo abe nomthetho sibe nesithunzi nathi njengoZulu. Nomvenda abe nesithunzi njengomvenda. Abayiboni lokho.
Pet. Enye into engingayifaka before ngihamba sizoqhelela abanye kunabantu ababili on the panel abafuna ukungena. Mina ngiyayithanda i-idea yakho sisiphethe. Mara enye futhi enye into engingayi-eda lapho. Yazi thina abomama sithanda ukuzi-underestimate. The power that we have iyathusa. Only if singayibiza ngendlela right. Abomama yithi esiphethe amakhaya abantu benkosi. Yithi esiphethe ingane yithi esiphethe singama house executive as they used to call us ne or as they call us. Uma nje singabomama, we can stand firm emakhayeni ethu. Those that understand, of course. And show abobaba bethu ukuthi ngasetshenzwa njani, even namaphoyisa ethu la esibona ngathi nawe yasijikela. Ipower ikithi bakithi singabomama. Ake kusukuma abomama nabo badlala irole yabo kule ndawo. And then ubhuti lo khona umhlathi olokho ekhuluma ngendaba ye-100. Lento singayithatheli phansi. Fanele siqale manje sibike lama 100. Sihlangane sikhuluma ukuthi soyiphusha kanjani leyo nto ngeindawo. Sibeke le mali simonitharane zishe. Kungabi imali ilahlelo noma ilahlela kwasebhavini or what. Yeah, sharp. Yeah. Sizokwazi ke ukuthi sihlanganise imali ebonakalayo sikwazi ukuzenzela yonke into nathi. Singadependi kule mali ukuthi ugovernment fanele asenzeleni. Nale iphaza abakhuluma ngazo singakwazi ukuzifanda through le rand esiwabekayo. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga sisindele.
Into engiyibonayo mina, abantu abasahlezi abangafuna ukungena ku-notice because they don't understand. Ungakhuluma naye nje ungazimethuke lapha nenyusa umoya, he doesn't understand what is going on. Only if abantu ba-understand, because ngeke ngakhala nangendaba ye-history efundwa zingane zethu esikolweni. Zikhula iy'ngane zethu zingazi ukuthi in South Africa we are still colonized. Azazi ukuthi we are free. Ingane zizothi mase ikhula khane ibona ukuthi hayibo kathi sikhulele enhluphekweni engaka, sisaboshwa izandla nenyawo. Hayi bantu bakithi, ake mina ubabe kuya ngami ngabe kuba nezikole ngangasho lapha kuMageba ngathi kubabe kuya ngami ngabe asiphumuli emahholo namahholo ubiza izingane umphakathi nikhulume ngale politics batshela ukuthi kumiphi manje now we need to unite because izwe liyahamba or either is going to we are going to lose our land forever. Kubi bakwethu ibhlungu kabi inhliziyo yami. Ake simukele nangu Mr. Mpisi. Mr. Mpisi sawubona.
Wema leaders. Bese ukhulumile noDuo hayi.
Yebo.
Angimzwanga mina aqale phansi.
Comrade Mpisi kunjani?
Aqale
Ngiyabonga ngicela kubo ngifuna nje angifune nokukhuluma into ende comrade. Ngikhuluma into ende ukuthi mina angifuni ukungemuva. Ngifuna sibuke into eyenzeka njengamanje siyaphambili. Nikhulume ngento March and March. There's a future. Here's the future of March and March.
Yeah.
March and March is in a good position. Ukuthi imele abantu abafuna ukumelwa in this country. As nje usukubona amanye ama-civic organizations, even ama-NGOs. I wanted to look at AfriForum. AfriForum imele amabhunu kuyo yonke into including ishikasha yawo, but abafuna ukuyiphocha as a political organization. Bayibiza nge-NGO yet by civic organization. Thina akhona wethu ama-civic organization kuphela awakayithole empowerment because why? We are this integrated society because of 1994 negotiations. Asiyazi into esifunayo. That's why I see my political parties. Lento enziwa uPhakela Mthakathi. Don't ever think ukuthi ngoba nakhe IP he represent IP or he represent a political party. And yonke into ayishoyo ukuthi asilwele izwe lethu. And uyayinyanya into eregalia, I won't lie. Uyayinyanya into eregalia. Maybe in the near future sizombona eyifaka le March and March njengoba kwakwenza before. Esahambisana no dadewethu Jacinta, the time kusay March and March nje abantu bebengayithathi serious. Jacinta is not a stupid person. She's very smart. uPhakela Mthakathi, I once said komunye live, abantu abaningi abangathesendanga ngithi uPhakela Mthakathi akayedwa. Abanye bacabanga ukuthi ngithi mhlawumbe ubhekwe by some people or some political party or some oligarchs aphethe imali angaba mhlambe akakhongolose noma i-IP. What Phakela Mthakathi is doing surpasses a member of a political party. It is very deep spiritually okwenziwa umthakathi. He brings a new element ekhanyisayo kubantu base South Africa, those who have brains and a foresight, ukuthi going forward abantu abamnyama kodwa into bayithande and bayazi into abayifunayo. Njengamanje abantu abamnyama bakazi bafuna, uyazi ukuthi khona abantu abamthukayo abathi lento yamaZulu. Nimzila uMalema elapho kwi-postcard ka JJ Tabane ethuka ungizwa ethuka ama-patriots ngobuhlanga ethi into yezonofobia into ye-tribalism. Vele naqala inkathi silwa ama-wars ukuze lelizwe lingathathwa licolonize. Zulu had to stand and sacrifice all warriors esasinawo, thousands. That's why we have a history of defeating the biggest army ongakazi udefeatwe, and babebuki iAfrica njenge country abazoyiwina nje ikalula impi mabelwa neAfrica combined, but they were stopped by one nation. Labantu bongalema ke, they represent those ababelekelela labo belungu ukuthi makubulawe lo Zulu ngoba uya resist, and bakhona benza mani excuse me, all live benza ama content go live baya na go YouTube, belwa no Phakela Umthakathi, belwa noNgizwe, belwa no Jacinta, balwa no Zandile. uZandile oseshiyile itudula by the way, but asazi lapha yakhona kodwa uthe akazi ukuyeka abeseqalile usazoqhubeka nakho. So singayicabangela nawe ukuthi uyaphi, shuthi uya consolidate, angivele ngubeka kanjalo, uya consolidate, because ubonile ukungena political ukuthi akuzukumenza express achieve lento ayifunayo, because into yepolitiki ina le period yayo ukuthi kuvotwa nini ebese yaqala ke abantu baqale baphakame. Yena ufuna uba active njoba kwenzeka kumanje ku umfowethu Phakela Umthakathi, umfowethu uNgizwe, kuzoba uJacinta. And by the way, ama-protests are rising and there are so many ukuthi anikawa recognize nina. Eastern Cape is running. There are a lot of patriots, people that are waking up, and people who don't want ANC, people who don't want DA, people who are fed up with this system. There's a lot of them. So mangabukhuluma njengalo mfowethu bethi amaZulu awenza ukuthi abe yibeke order, you need to win elections first. And once I win my elections, and once I part of Eastern Cape, once I part of Mpumalanga neGoli as an organization, you cannot say you isolate Zulu from those people. You will fight with them to fix what is a rot across those provinces. It's impossible ukuthi ungasurrender i-country. To le country. We surrender bani uthi amavenda wayilwele wodwa asale odwa yini kodwa ebethi siya recognize i-vision yakho siya recognize. It doesn't mean ukuthi khona la bathi hayi thina asifuna ukuphathwa ama-tribe athize nathize. Ubusuthatha, those people are stupid. Labantu are not God driven because they don't have a vision. Ukuthi ekugcineni kwakho konke the day abantu bamnyama bekhonka is when they unite and do their thing, because ibona bazobekwazi ukuyirecognize behlonipha better than abantu abamhlophe besicontrolela ama-bank, besicontrolela umhlaba, be-create employment ukuthi thina sibe zigqila zabo, belimita i-curriculum yethu ukuthi ingabi naso i-skills ukuthi zenzele izinto sikwazi uku-obtaina independence, becontrola into ye-trade ukuthi maphi amazwe afuniswa sitrade nawo singatrade nalawa. Sinaleyo chaos because of i-DA. Angudedele comrade Misempisi ngoba ngiyazi nawe kuningi and it's your time now. But ngiya-highlight abakwethu ukuthi i-march and march ayizukuphela manje. Izosebenzisana nama-political parties because funeke kuwinwe ama-elections. That's how you're going to conquer the system. Win elections. And then busiya consolidate i-power la okukusutha khona across provinces kuze ungagcina ufesana ne-Cape Independence. Ngiyabonga.
uphi nilele
Oh, Mpisi
We lost
ushona
connection.
wena.
They say we lost connection. I don't know what happened.
Mpisi,
Awusikhona siswami, isikhona.
ugenerali bani akangipisi.
Comrade Mpisi yena mdedele.
Okay.
Sorry man. I-network ayihloniphi kodwa. Ngiphazanyiswa yiyona. Ngiyezwakala kodwa bafowethu.
Loud and clear.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Anyways, igama ubaba Thando uMr Mpisi. Ilokhuza ake ngithi ngibingelela kinina nonke nama comment, podium nama sellout, amaxoki konke nje in the name of umkhonto. Ngithi mina ngizoke ngene nje kule dudula kuqala. Idudula obviously it was clear ukuthi izohlakazeka because you will trace it back ngesikhathi ake yahlaselwa yathula kwadliwa imali kwawu left right ngoba uANC nama capitalist awayifunda ephazamisa bona bazokwenza sure ukuthi baya destroy namanje ke bayayihlasela idudula bayayihlasela amasingathi uyithatha ngokuthi ingenxa ukuthi kuumuntu wesifazane wara abantu besifazane benziwani kuhlaselwa idudula lapha kuhlaselwa untombazane lo kuhlaselwa idudula qobo lapha and uANC abelungu amakwerekwere bonke labantu bandawonye khumbula imali ziyantaza emoyeni ziyakhokha kuyafandwa ufandwa wonke lemsebenzi engcolile ifandwa yona lama illegal immigrants lama cartels ahlezi la eSouth Africa kufandwa izinto ezidisturba amaplan wabo ukuthi South Africa degree abangase bayicabanga mawuzobuka ukuthi iSouth Africa deteriorate kanjani from the time kuqala nje kufika nje mainly ama Nigeria ngoba that's where the problem started after 1994 kwafika lezi inhlanga zase West Africa problem enkulu iqale lapho because there were immigrants before but it wasn't like this so indaba edudula ikanjalo but ngicabanga ukuthi ke mina ukuresigna kuKazandile kune strategy phakathi mina ngokwami ngiya suspect ukuthi uya kwi-march and march thola lapha abahlalile benolokhuza ukuthi cha oza la kumina vele into esiyenzayo iyefana nami mangiqala ilokhu ithi-march and march uma mangobese ukuthi uyiqala i-march and march came from izinto efana nodudula ukuze kuphushwe indaba yamakwerekwere so vele they can work together bengaphazanyiswa yilutho ngoba ama-ideologies wabo ayefana and ke ngokwami ngibelieve ukuthi uyakhona lapha and mhlawumbe uzothatha iposition yokuba yisekela kube inhlangano yabesifazana aba-strong eyi-civil organization ezokwenza sure ukuthi abantu abaxakekile abaney'nkinga abama-patriots abathanda izwe labo bazoba nekhaya njengoba kade uchaza Duodayi indaba yokuthi amabhunu enza kanjani so ayizungena kwipolitiki iyohlala i-civil organization igijime ey'nkantolo ihlasele left right but I believe ukuthi kuyona yonke lokhuzi leyo movement nokuba khona kwe-march and march kunamathandazwe kungokwami ke lokho kunamathandazo akhona behind all these ideas esingakawazi esizowazi kuhambeni nesikhathi ayina funding ayinalutho but indlela zokwenza sure ukuthi umhlaba ukuze ubuyele ngempela kithina kufuneka ustrategize ngendlela eziningi mawuthi uyabheka kuqhamuka amanje ama-civil organization kodwa olalo ngabe engekho kunabantu abakhona abathandayo leli lizwe okunzima kodwa ukuthi ulithathe ngale ndlela ka-ANC kufuneka uqhamuke ngendlela ezintsha nalama labor desk leqonde ngqo ku-ANC ukuyiphuca lokho ecabanga ukuthi kungokwayo forever so idudula izawufa ngoba I can tell ivele ingena-stability after uNhlanhla Lux ngenxa ye-damage ayenza iy'mali zethu za-civil organization but ke mawuthi uyabo because isivele ibe negama elibi emhlabeni wonke ngalendlela abayidayise ngayo abeyindaba kodwa la azovuka khona ilokhu uzovuka kwi-marshal marsh and chances of ukuthi Marshall Marsh ifeyile ke kulabo ababheka ukuthi ifeyile ngoba le genge yamakwerekwere ne-ANC bayihlasela ngempela inhlangano enokuzana ukuphazamisa noma individuals noma yini enokuphazamisa iplan labo lokufaka amakwerekwere bamosha eSouth Africa impela sisuke eEurope. So i-Marshall Marsh amathuba ukuthi bayi-destroy mancane kakhulu. These are the reasons. Don't underestimate uZulu nje on his own. I don't care ukuthi uthini. Ngoba abantu bazofaka ipolitiki ebhedayo wara uZulu igama elithi Zulu lilodwa lethusa nombani noma ekuphi anything ebhekwa uZulu irrespective ukuthi sidivideke kangakanani kodwa when it comes to i-unity siyakhohlwa thina ukuthi sibuka into e-right sekwenzeke kaningi lokho sekwenzeke kaningi formation ye-ANC iyakutshela ngokusobala ukuthi uZulu always ephakama qhamuka nama-ideas ufonywe something but obviously abantu baloko bekhafulela ebusweni indaba kaZulu and thina ke akufanele sikuthathe lokho faka enhlizweni siyazazi thina singoba and unity yethu ayinxenxwa akulo kanjani funa sekani kwenzakale akusho lokho sokulala amabulala afterwards bese uyabuza ukuthi njani so ngisho la ngithi mina i-history lapha kwaZulu sezwe i-MK
Baba kaThandwe mina ngedwa ongamuzwa kahle uyanqamuka noma
Angamuke Nkosi yami.
iko ngithi kusuka manje ongahle ukubone ukuthi iqoqa everyone into it including nalabo njalo ngaba kulesite elisezantsi izona kuba isingathi beyining with implementing push okusebenzisa njengethi le part so I ke machine ngida angakezwakali Thenjiwe
I-network
Africa
iyaqhatha
Network. siphethe mhlambe mawuphuma kancane ubuye uthi ukubuya kancane.
Uyaheqeza. Awutry ukukhuluma ngasompisi mhlambe kulo right.
Uyazi sisiphethe I was so disappointed mangizwa kuthiwa ku-ANC bekunezimali ezingenayo zokusupporta lama foreigners nalezi dolo zawo. Kanti ngempela silaphila na kusiyami. Nalama NGOs esinawo ayinqwaba kule country.
Kuningi kwenzakalayo. Wena ungayitshela nje ukuthi wena i-ANC imele awukubuyele kulabantu abafanda uyi-campaign le ka-20 was it 2019 if I'm not mistaken 2017 awakaze revealwa lawo ma-statements lawo and umkhwanazi again kumele sirecognize ukuba iqhawe lakhe la muntu wayeyifunela ama-documents akhe eyifunela i-PKTT yakhe but kungakanani akakuvezile manje abantu thina besiwabona as ama-prominent business taxi mafia or taxi or business owners sekuyabonakala ukuthi-ke labantu kade bedla bodwa ama-slay queens lawo ehlezi siwabona la ko-Instagram nako-Twitter kuyabonakala ukuthi-ke labo bantu kade bebenefitha kuyo yonke into and kade bebenefitha kade bebenefitha kuyo yonke imali estate. Mina nawe kumele sikhokhe intela.
Ngikhona emsebenzini uzophuma ngo-6.
Madlamini uzivalele Madlamini.
Uzususe indaba enzima.
Phuma ngo-6 Madlamini ngicela uzivalele. But nje ziningi izinto ezivelayo manje. We
Bekhuluma nawe madoda lapha.
Sasona umvale ngakho.
Uzivalele i-mic Madlamini.
Alright, siyabonga. I-point yami la for ingane encane mhlambe na 15 ena 16 obviously ngiyacabanga ukuthi isuke isenayo i-device and inayo access ye-internet and mayibuka izinto ezenzeka ku TikTok nabo Facebook no wherever ku social media iyayibona lempilo iyayihalela. Ucabanga ukuthi leyo muntu lo izoba nayo intshisekelo yokusebenza angeke yokufunda asebenze angeke azabe nayo intshisekelo yokufunda. Obviously uzofuna ukuba islip izokutshela ukuthi mina ngifuna ukufana noMahu, mina ngifuna ukufana nobani, mina ngifuna ukufana nabo Saint Butch, mina ngifuna ukufana nobani. You understand? And mind you, leyo nto leyo it goes back to ukuthi kushuthi kwathina sengabazali siyahluleka kwelinye side. Yabona le nto leyo. So nje kuningi as much as sifuna ukulungisa lokho kumele sikulungise nayo i-youth itself wana ama 2000 lawa abanayo direction because they only live for a weekend. Bazi nje ukuthi ayime kwi-weekend kumele ngiqoke ngibe muhle ngiphume ngiyoyingcebekelela nalo engiyoyingcebekelela yena o kumele kube khona ubhuti omdala whether wala eSouth Africa whether kusiwa la eSouth Africa ozokwazi ukuthi afandele lifestyle lesengiyiqalile. Enye into futhi nayo leyo edinga ukuthi siyibheke si-address ngalendlela kumele si-address ngakhona. Ngiyabonga. Ngathi ukuthi mhlambe bese ngishintsha kuyi-topic but nje bese kuyi-add on.
No, uthinta amaphuzu amahle kakhulu mkhulu and nendlovukazi le part le evezayo le ka endlovukazi uSandile Operation Dudula ukuthi as eshiya ile part le enkade ngizama ukuyi-correct ukuthi i-Operation Dudula i-example enough ukuthi why even i-machine march ingafanele ize izame nanokuzama ukuphenduka i-political party. I-rights iba yibo lama-civil movement or organization. So cause ilento ekhalisa uZandile ukuthi mawusulapha ayisasebenzi lento le uyabona ukuthi lapha kunzima uku-achieve lento lena abekade eyibona as bengenkathi bekade beyi-movement and abakade bezama ukuyi-achieve ngenkathi bekade beyi-movement. So uyabona ukuthi ukuphuma from kwi-movement to i-political party kuba nama-limit amaningi. Kuney'nto ey'ningi ababa limited kuzona abangasakwazi ukuzenza. Even into naye engake sakwazi ukuzenza ngenxa yokuthi uma seniyi-political party kunama-decisions angakusavumelekile nawo ukuthi ewathathe because khumbula ukuthi i-political party idinga imali ukuze survive. So whatever okhulumayo kunga-affecta i-image ye-political party. So i-political party ayifuni ukuluza i-agenda yayo or ayifuni ukuluza i-trust le esuke yona i-based on ekutheni ifuna ukuyikhanda kubantu. Yabo, so kunezinto abangafuni ukuthi zikhulunywe ngendlela ethize, abahlezi befuna ukuthi ikhulunywe ngendlela ethize. So akufani if usayi-movement noma usuku-political party because kuningi okushintshayo, kuningi okuba umehluko. So yiyo lo phase ngisho ukuthi kunzima ukuya kulowa mkhakha, but unice ukuba i-pressure because uma uyi-pressure uyakwazi uku-influencer ama-political party. And two, enye part efuna ukuyithinta ile ethintwa le ukuthi evezo uMamkhawula we-EFF le akhala ngakuthi hawu labantu laba wayeningasho ukuthi labantu banika imali engaka ukuthi kuneyimali eziqhamukayo ezifakwa ilabantu. Ile part engingayithinta ukuthi i-economic power iphenduka i-political power. Ngenxa yani i-political power if ingenayo economic power idominate yilabantu abaphethe imali. So that's why labantu abaqhamuka outside zinye zezinto ezenzakalayo la eSouth Africa, even no government engenayo power yokwazi ukukhipha igama lokuthi no ngiyabasusa or ngenza ini ngenxa yokuthi sekunemali phakathi. So uma usebenzisa le power yemali ugcina udominator because ezinye zezinto laba becount uzothini lo muntu no labantu laba it's fine but lo muntu lwana uyi-foreigner akanawo ama-document impela but kunabantu engibabona abawu-2 3 abase-South Africa akabaqashile. So bona babuka ngo-opposite direction, ababuki the way thina sibuka ngakhona. So bona bayabuka mase remove labana laba bantu mangaka ama-job opportunity azoluzwa abantu and ingaka imali thina esizoyiluza esigaina from kulabantu. And two, asinayo i-plan better than lento esiyiremovayo engenza situation ibe better than lento ebikade iyona. So enye problem. So bona babe-observe izinto bayi-observer ngendlela different because abanayo i-plan. Obvious and clear abanayo i-plan yokusolva le situation esikuyona, abanayo, ayikho at all. So that's why if thina as abantu singafocusa more ukulwa ngama-plans more than that ukurepeata same cycle le esesayenza before because before silwe kaningi kungcono lokhu ekuliwe before lokhu achithe igazi before kuliwe ngampela kule level yokuthi before kuliwe ngalendlela yokuthi kuchitheke igazi ngalendlela lexa ukwenza kuhamba imiphefumulo yabantu abaningi kufakwa i-pressure yokuthi kushintshe kwezinto but kulokhu izinto zenzeka peaceful nangendlela engcono. But ekulweni kwethu yini into egcine senze siluze egcineni ukuthi besilwa without plans. Besingenayo i-plan ukuthi okay mase siyitholile lento esiyifunayo sizokwenzani ngayo. So thina